Peter Pan the Bird Boy. Once there was a girl called Wendy. Her mother used to tell her and her brothers a nice bedtime story every day. One day, while the mother was telling her kids the bedtime story, she saw little boy sitting on the window. This boy was Peter Pan, the bird boy. He told her that he lost his shadow and was looking for it. In the meantime, he heard her stories and admired them. The mother invited him to enter, and the kids awoke and started to look for Peter Pan's shadow till they found it. Peter Pan thanked them and invited them to travel with him to the dreamland. Wendy asked the permission of her mother, who agreed. Peter Pan said, "Now we will fly to the dreamland." "But we can't fly," said Wendy. So Peter Pan pointed to a little fairy who dispersed shiny lights over them, and suddenly Wendy and her brothers were able to fly. While flying, Peter Pan saw Pirate Hook and others trying to kidnap an Indian princess. So Peter Pan called his friend the crocodile, who his pirate's hook boat. In the meantime, Peter Pan surprised them and saved the Indian princess. The kids reached the dreamland, and the Indian princess thanked them and left to her tribe. But the kids were afraid from Captain Hook and told Peter Pan that they will return home on the next day. Peter Pan felt sorrow as they will leave him and sadly answered, "Go." Meanwhile, the pirate returned to his boat. He was very angry from Peter Pan, who frustrates his plan to kidnap the princess. So he decided to revenge. On the next day, he saw the kids returning home, but without Peter Pan. Pirate Hook pursued the kids and caught them. He asked, "Where's your friend Peter Pan?" Peter Pan suddenly appeared and said, "Don't be afraid. I'm here." Hook tried to attack Peter Pan, but he wonderfully jumped and the pirate fell in the sea, where the crocodile was waiting for him. Peter Pan flew with the kids to their house. They asked him to stay with them, but he told them that he will return to the dreamland.